Hi YouTube. Well, a little while ago I did a review on a hyper hose, stainless steel hose, and I needed more hose, and I thought, well, I'll get a different product so that I can share with you opening a different product. I can show you something else. So I got a Vevor 50-foot stainless steel hose, and we're going to turn around, open the box, and see what we got. Okay, so I'm not expecting anything too exciting. I mean, it's just a 50-foot stainless steel hose, but I'm counting on it having a bigger opening than the standard stainless steel hose that we're seeing around. Okay, washer popped out. So this one, the couplers are loose. On the hyper hose, these were all secure on the end, and this plastic. Oh, this okay. So this one screws on. That works. That's fine. The hyper hose is probably the same thing. Let's see. We have the gun, and it's very typical. They're all very similar. I imagine they buy them from some Chinese company that this is what they make, and so I imagine the hose guys just buy these and throw them in with the hose. So they're nothing wild and crazy. It's just a cheap plastic hose with a bunch, or a sprayer with a bunch of patterns. Okay, and there's a bag with 4 washers, and this one fell out from here. And it looks like they're brass fittings. They're not real heavy. The hyper hose fittings seem a little heavier. There's a decent size orifice. I hope you can see that inside. I need to figure out a way to measure those. I don't have any measuring things. Drawn a blank. I think the listing said it was 10 millimeter. I don't know what the size of the hyper hose is. I was thinking it was bigger. I'm sure the hyper hose is bigger, so I need to get it and find out. I left it on a job site, so I don't have it to compare to. It's nice and shiny. It's a lot shinier. Oh. No. No. Look at that. I assume you can see that. Yeah, the hyper hose does not do that. No, this is... See, it's not supposed to. It's not there. Well, I'm in the camera. Okay, I'm in the camera. No, this is going back. Look at that. Okay, so there's your Vevor hose. But no, that bites. That's not good at all. And inside it is just a thin plastic tube. It's just your standard, whatever it is, PVC tube. I would make sure I go with the hyper hose. It looks much better. Alright, to YouTube, well there you go. I'll report back. Well, YouTube, I hope this is good information. I try and be truthful and accurate. So I hope this is stuff you like. I hope it's stuff that's helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check the description for any links that might be helpful. And we'll see you down the road. Thanks, guys.